All right, it's declutter time. Get your bags out. You need 3 bags: trash bag, giveaway bag, and go to another room bag. Okay? Get your bags. All right, we are going to do something with this shenanigans up here because I noticed a lot of this stuff is not being used or touched. So why is it here? Time to go. Let's get ruthless. All right. This is my Yankees hat. I love my Yankees hat. I love it. I don't really wear hats a lot because I feel like I look like I have a puny little head and I look like a 5-year-old boy. But I do love this. I wear it at the beach. So I'm going to keep that. I don't really know why I put it up here. I don't know if I put it up here. Could have been anybody. All right. That is going in the downstairs pile. This and this are both, these are scarves. Yeah? Beautiful. Beautiful. The problem is I don't wear scarves. Okay? Giveaway. It's time to let this one go. I took a sewing class. Yeah, I did. And I made this beautiful wonder. Isn't that fun? There's no way I was going to wear it. I mean, I made it myself. I'm not going to wear that. Just kidding. I mean, it's fine, but it's not like wearable fine. So that, I don't know if anyone's really going to want to wear that. But I'm going to put that in the giveaway pile, just in case. This is nice for the giveaway. Betsey Johnson. Oh my gosh, this is so dusty. And these actually have sunglasses in them. Make me look like a bee. I think I will keep these. 1 pair. What's in here? Oh, is there a pair? Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, get it away. I don't even, why did I do that? They're Betsey Johnson, but they're like, they were not okay. I couldn't even leave them on. Is it like because they're wraparound? Oh my gosh. I feel like my grandma had those. Like when she was 90. Okay. Next. These I got for Cora and they were too big for her head. Why are they even in here? I don't know. I'm going to see if they fit her head now. Her head's grown a little. You know, kids grow. If not, we'll just give them away. Laces. Oh, these are laces for shoes. I'll keep them in here because I am going to put my summer shoes in here. This guy I might just keep up there. Now, these are my husband's. You know, this is his problem. I can't deal with that. These are are these all his belts? No. These are his belts. I'm going to have him go through and declutter his belts. Put them on the bed real quick. They're dusty, as in he doesn't wear them. Okay, this one, you know I'm keeping that. Hold on, where's the focus? Can we focus? No. Okay, there. I'm going to keep that. His belt. Oops. This is like what? I didn't even notice. That's horrendous. All right, that's trash. If he's not gonna wear these. I mean, look, they still have tags. Maybe I got him too many belts. I might be the guilty person. Giveaway. Oops, I put that in the trash pile. Giveaway. A thin black belt, I can keep that. A thin leopard belt, I can keep that. But I think we don't need, like, we can put those somewhere else. A thick 1980s belt. I think we can give that one away. I don't wear a lot of belts. I just don't. No. This belonged to a shirt that I gave away. All right, so literally, we have freed up the entire thing. And we'll put these leopards together, like with like, y'all, like with like. I'll make them a little more organized, don't worry. So then, look, we just cleared out all that. I've got a trash belt. Got a trash belt, a couple things to go downstairs, and look at all the giveaway. Hold on. Let me show you my pile. I love showing the after. Oh, and the two sunglass two sunglass cases and sunglasses. So that's all for giveaway. Ah, that feels good. Right? So then I can put my flip-flops and summer shoes in here. Oh, we should go through shoes next. That is hard for me. Let's challenge. Challenge accepted. I know no one gave me a challenge but myself, but I accept it. Let's do some shoes. I have a lot of shoes. We might have to take it genre by genre. All right. If you also, comment what do you want to see me declutter? Comment below. What do you want Christy to declutter in her home? That show up there? Yeah, that needs to go. Pretty much everything is on the table for me to declutter because I'm trying to downsize because I want to move to Florida in my beautiful dreams. I give it a 2-year timeline. We have 2 years to get everything out of here that I don't need. So, are you in? Or are you out? Start decluttering yourself. Ooh, all that dust is getting to me. Ooh, whew. And also, if you don't know, I don't have one of those sexy sneezes, the little cute. Well, I don't know if any sneeze is sexy, but I don't have a cute sneeze. You heard what happened. It sounded like my grandfather. Anyway, what I was going to say is I am now offering a new service for decluttering where I basically come to you through a Zoom call for an hour or more. If you get a package, we can do longer than an hour. But an hour, and we pick a space and we work on decluttering it, but it's not just the decluttering, like the act of it. It's also, since I'm a life coach and do a lot of mindset work, I work on that with you as we're decluttering. We kind of talk about those things and why we keep the clutter and what's going on. There might be a certain thing you're holding on to and talking about letting that go. All the fun, all the time. So it's a little life coaching and decluttering in 1 hour sessions, or you can do a bundle. And we can customize a plan for you. So if you're interested in that, email me at stilakiss33@gmail, STILAKISS33@gmail, or if you're on my Facebook pages, you can just message me there, or Instagram. Slide me a DM. I'm so cool. I'm such a cool mom. All right, see you in the next video. Tell me what you want me to declutter in the comments below. All right, bye. Do not get too close as I say goodbye.